Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D CAD model of pipe with flange in Autodesk Inventor software. So let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now take a 2D sketch, select here XY plane, take here arc command and we will take here center point arc. From this center point, make the arc profile. Okay. And here go to dimension, define this radius here as 140 mm. Zoom out, go to horizontal constraint, select this point, select this point, select this and select this. Now go to the line command and make two lines straight, enter, and one line here, enter. Okay. Now go to dimension, we'll define the dimension of this as 46 mm and escape. Now go to equal constraint, select this line and select this line. Okay, so and escape. Now these both lines are equal to each other, so this will be also 46. We are doing this. If you want to change, double click, I'll change it to 100, so it will also change. Okay, so this will also change with this, so take it 46 and finish sketch. Now go to plane, click on plane, select this point and select here, so new plane will be generated. Select this plane, go to create sketch, go to home view. Now go to project geometry and project this point. Go to circle command. From this point, we are going to make circle of diameter 120 mm and finish sketch. Take here sweep command. So the profile is selected. Now the path will be this. Okay. So this will be the guiding path. Press OK. Now we are going to make new plane. Go to plane and this time we are going to take offset from plane. Select this face, take minus 350 mm as we want to go bottom side and press OK. Select this new plane, go to create sketch, go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe, take sketch, take circle command. From this center point, make circle of diameter 120 mm and finish sketch. Take extrude and here we will take a distance to next. So go to view to make it more clear. Go to view, visual style, change it to shaded edges. Go to 3D model, take extrude again and here change it to next. So this extrude will join up to next profile and press OK. Okay. Now select this plane and here right click and we'll turn off the visibility. Select this also, select this, right click, turn off the visibility. Now here take the shell command to make it a hollow pipe. So here it will ask you remove faces and here I'll take 10 mm thickness. Select this top face, select this top face, rotate, select this bottom face, press OK, go to home. Now this is a hollow pipe. Now select this top face, go to create sketch. Now we are going to generate the flange profiles. Take the circle command, drag the cursor on this, find the center point, make a circle here of diameter 220 mm. Similarly here also on this center 220 mm. Okay, take line command and make one line here and make one line here. So these are the joining profiles. Go to dimension, define the distance from here as 60 mm and here this also as 60 mm. So this will be 120 mm total. Escape. Okay. Go to finish sketch. Now here you can see already projected geometry has been created. Otherwise you have to make these circles or the pipe will get closed. Go to extrude, select this profile. Now you can see it is taking outside. select this and select this. Flip the direction, and here I'll take a dimension of 20 mm, and this is a joining profile, and press OK. Okay. Now similarly rotate, and here select this bottom face, go to create sketch, take circle command. From this center point, make circle of diameter 220 and escape. Select this, go to project geometry, okay, finish sketch, take extrude, select this profile, flip the direction, and here we'll take join, and the dimension will be 20 mm, and press OK. Go to home, select this face, go to create sketch. Now we are going to make the whole profiles. Take circle command, and here from the center point, make here a diameter of 160 mm, and here make one circle of diameter 20 mm. Escape. Now take horizontal constraint, select this point and select this point, and escape. Select this circle, make it construction geometry, and here take circular pattern. Select this circle, go to axis and select this. So this will be a count of 6, and press OK. Okay. Now I want same profile this side as well. Go to line, from this point make a straight center line, escape, select this line, make it construction, and here go to mirror, select these profiles, go to mirror line and select the center line, apply, and done. Okay, finish sketch, take here extrude, select all these profiles. Okay, now here click shift and unselect this and unselect this. Okay, like this, and this. Okay, all are selected. Flip the direction, so this will be a cut profile. The depth of cut will be 20, and press OK. Go to home. Similarly we will do for the bottom flange. Rotate, select this face, go to create sketch, take circle command. From this center point, make circle of diameter 160 mm, and here make one circle here of diameter 20, and escape. Here also go to horizontal constraint, select this point, escape, select this circle, make it construction, go to circular pattern, select this circle, go to axis and select this. Count will be of 6, and press OK. Go to 3D model, take extrude, select all the profiles, flip the direction, so this will become a cut profile. Go to home, and here take OK. Okay, now we will change the appearance. From here we will take light red. So this will be the final output. So this was a basic tutorial of pipe with flange in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.